Well, hello everybody, it's me, back again, Rog. People have been saying to me, do you know what, you cook too many things like sausages and bacon. Bacon. Get yourself together. Anyway, today we're going to do something healthy. We're going to do a green smoothie. It's got everything that you could need. It's got flavour, it's got goodness, it's got a superfood. What more could you ask for? So anyway, let's get started. Firstly, we're going to start with some water and this little gizmo here. In with water, about half a pint. Then, and this one's a superfood, but lovely bright green spinach. But I mustn't drop it. That can go in. We can have one celery stick. There we go. That's it. Some romaine lettuce. This is always good for you, this stuff. Now this can set you up for the day. You can have it as a breakfast or you can have it just a nibble through the day. Take it to work in a little flask. Half a banana, peeled, of course. Then we're going to take a few slices of pear. This is where the flavoursome part comes in. Go over the pear. And some lovely sweet juicy apple. On with that lid. Eventually. And there we have it. Cheers everybody. One of these a day and you'll end up looking like me. Well, cheers everybody. The green smoothie's finished. I'm going to give it a test. And I've got to say, as smoothies go, 10 out of 10. It is tasty. Now to give it a bit of extra flavour, you could always add some fresh lemon juice or cucumber or whatever you want really. Anything that's sort of nutritional, flavoursome and make up your own smoothie. Any comments down below? Please let me know if you've got any ideas or anything that I could add. And thank you very much. Well, I enjoyed that. Very nice. And there's plenty left for another time. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. Any comments down below. And I'll see you again next time. Bye for now.